Suno AI just dropped their V5 model, and it is an absolute game changer. If you don't know, Suno is an AI that generates entire songs from a simple text prompt. But this V5 isn't just an update, it's a revolution. We've reached the point where AI-generated songs don't just sound like AI anymore. Many people are saying Suno basically solved AI music with this version, and honestly, they might be right. Instead of just speculating, we have direct insight from the source. Suno released an official launch video featuring their CTO, Georg Kutsko, who broke down exactly what makes V5 such a game changer. So today, we're going to dive into what he shared, and then we're going to put it to the test ourselves with some live examples to see if the hype is real. First, a fun fact they shared in their video. The name Suno is pronounced Suno, and it comes from Punjabi and Hindi. It means to listen, a fitting name for, right? So let's jump right in. What is the big deal with version 5? The jump from the previous version V4.5 is massive. Before, you could often hear the AI sound, little artifacts, robotic vocals, or a weird mix. With V5, that's virtually gone. The vocals sound human, the music feels alive, and the songs are genuinely creative and coherent. The CTO of Suno stated, "V5 is a big step forward in our core technology." He explained that across the board, everything should be noticeably better, specifically highlighting 3 key areas. Musical structure. Songs will now have more logical and coherent arrangements with defined intros, verses, choruses, and outros that flow together naturally. Fidelity. This means the raw audio quality is significantly better. We're talking cleaner, richer, and more professional-sounding audio, with fewer of the digital artifacts that could give away its AI origins. Composition V5 is designed to be more musically intelligent, creating more interesting chord progressions and sophisticated melodies. Crucially, Georg emphasized that V5 is the new engine that will power a host of powerful new features on the horizon, briefly mentioning that this technology is what makes the highly anticipated Suno Studio possible. He also confirmed that a primary focus for this new version is control. V5 is a better listener. It's designed to understand more detailed and nuanced prompts, allowing us to describe exactly what we want and actually get it. This enhanced understanding is a core part of their mission to give users fine-grained levels of creative control. Okay, so that's the official word from the team at Suno. It all sounds incredible on paper, but talk is cheap. Let's put these claims to the test and see what V5 can actually do. Here we are in the main Suno interface. As you can see, in the model selection dropdown, we now have the new option for V5 Pro Beta. You can still access all the older models, all the way down to the vintage V2 model. The descriptions of the models in the interface have changed. I think it used to be more descriptive before. First, let's challenge V5's improved genre understanding and fidelity with a very specific atmospheric prompt. All right, the track is ready. That took just under a minute. Let's have a listen.
The rope bends sharp where the shadows grow thin, and no crow circles caught in the wind. I see the fence post leaning like ghosts, whispered stories they hold but never boast. And the air tastes of rust, of leaving behind, of a world that's unkind. Fading embers flicker low. What was once, I'll never know. Every flame burns out, every light lets go. Fading embers, fading slow. The river runs shallow, dry stones in its bed, a tangle of branches where the current once led. My boots roads kick the dust, a cloud of regret. In the stillness of silence I can't forget. Fading embers flicker low. What was once I'll never know. Every flame burns out, every light lets go. Fading embers, fading slow.
That is genuinely stunning. This perfectly demonstrates what Georg was talking about. The audio fidelity is crystal clear. There's no hiss or weirdness. The vocal performance is exactly what I asked for. It's intimate and breathy without sounding weak or robotic. I believe there's still a tiny bit of AI voice intact, but it's definitely a massive improvement and sounds a lot more humanistic than previous models. It's something that Suno has been struggling with for a long time, and this time they may have come very close to overcoming that barrier. But the most impressive part is the composition and mixing. The acoustic guitar is the clear focus. The synth pads create that perfect ethereal atmosphere in the background, and the simple beat drives it forward without overpowering anything. This is a level of nuance that previous versions would have really struggled with. Now for the ultimate test. Let's take a simple prompt and generate it on both V4.5 and V5 to hear the difference side by side. We'll use a classic prompt. I know, I like acoustic stuff. First, let's generate this with the older V4.5 Pro model.
Steam rises up from my cup so slow. The sun tiptoes through the window glow. Every sip whispers a secret to me. The day begins, but I just let it be. Coffee morning, hold me tight. Golden hours, soft and bright. The world can wait.
Okay, it's a solid track. V4.5 produces a competent and catchy beat. The vocals are on key and the morning energy and vibe is there. It's good, but it sounds like a very good AI song. Now let's run that exact same prompt through the new V5 Pro beta. We can see that now the latest model of V5 is colored and highlighted.
Kettle hums its morning tune, a porcelain mug, a silver spoon, steam rising like a lazy balloon. Coffee morning, quiet and slow, bittersweet whispers in the glow. Sip by sip, the world starts.
Wow. The difference is immediate and undeniable. It's a better composition, yes. But the biggest change for me, though, is the vocal performance. It has personality, flow, and it feels like a real human singing. The authenticity is on a completely different level. This right here is that foundational leap in action. Let's try another example. I'm going for a bit quirky one this time to test on both models, a song about my cat. First, let's try it on the V4.5 Plus model. Oh, and Suno created this hilarious cover art for it, showing a cat with a crown sitting on a throne. Love it.
You strike door, knocking my coffee, demanding more. Tails a whip, eyes like gold. You're tiny, but you're oh so bold. You don't pay rent, you don't clean the mess. Yeah, somehow you've got me under stress. Oh, boss cat, sitting on your throne. This house ain't mine, it's your zone. You rule with a paw, a flick, a purr. Boss cat, who do you think you were? Ooh.
That was so much fun. Perfect for my purpose for a quirky song, but now let's see how V5 handles the job.
Yeah. Strutting like a king on a velvet throne. Tail high like a bender. This house is his own. Knocks my coffee off the table just to prove his throne. Who's in charge? He doesn't ask. Every day's a royal task. The feline king, he rules the scene with the crown of fluffing eyes so mean. The feline king, oh can't you see? This palace runs on cat.
That is simply a better song. It sounds so professional, like a song that went on a full production and finished. The authenticity they promised is very real and certainly lives up to the hype, justified. I had no complaints on the song, created by V4.5 Plus model either, but this is simply better. This is the next level. Now that we've seen what V5 can do, let's circle back to the CTO's advice, because he shared some crucial tips for getting the most out of this new model. His number one recommendation for longtime users is, don't just rerun your old prompts. He explained that new versions listen differently. Because V5 is smarter, it might need less instruction. Your old prompts were likely written to work around the limitations of V4.5. By using them on V5, you might actually be holding it back. The best way to experience V5's power is to start fresh. Write new prompts, experiment, and discover its new strengths for yourself. He also touched on a few other key topics. On remastering, the old remaster feature is being reevaluated. They know some users want a subtle polish, while others want a full reimagining. They're working on giving users finer controls for this in the future. Access for all. For now, V5 is a beta for Pro and Premier subscribers, so the team can gather feedback and apply fixes quickly. But Georg promised that a big upgrade is coming for the free tier soon, and that it will be a major improvement over the current free experience. The future is sound, and here's a really exciting glimpse into the future. The team is actively developing tools to generate sound effects and samples. Imagine typing a spaceship door hissing open, or a powerful explosion, and getting a ready-to-use audio file. This shows their ambition to make Suno a complete audio creation suite. After diving into the official announcement and putting it to test, it's clear that Suno V5 is a landmark release. It's not just an update in Suno, it's a new chapter for AI music overall. The jump in audio quality, the stunning authenticity of the vocals, and the deep creative control on the horizon are a massive step forward. This is a tool that has firmly moved from being a fun experiment to being a legitimate asset for songwriters, producers, and creators of all kinds. As the team at Suno says, this new technology is just the beginning. That's the full breakdown. Thanks so much for watching. I strongly encourage you to try V5 for yourself to truly hear the difference. Let me know what you think and what you create down in the comments. If this video was helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to AI with TechSnap if you haven't already. It will be worth it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.